Hi, it's Steve from Bosch. I'm here today with the guys from Toolstop, having a chat through the GOP 12V 28 multi-tool. Brushless motor, variable speed, makes it more effective with varying materials. Bosch's patented Starlock system enables 100% power transfer, effective power transfer from the motor to the blade, making it more effective at working materials. The blades are for various uses, so you've got from metal and carbide for metal, through wood and metal, multi-material. You've got scraping blades, you've got rasping blades, you've got grout removal blades, and you can even have a standing plate on this machine. Very flexible. Any manufactured blade on Starlock system will fit on this machine. As I said, on the 12 volt system, 12 volt battery goes in. Nice, easy, compact, ergonomically easy to use. This is the Bosch GOP 12 volt 28 multi-tool, brushless multi-tool.